Yeah, Aksa, have you got the answer of question third? Students, tell me, current will be scalar quantity or vector quantity? Current will be scalar quantity or vector? Why vector? It have direction. In formula, charges are having direction. We know that flow of electron. Time is also having a charge or direction. So overall, it's a scalar quantity. You are writing like this: I is equals to 2 ampere. You are not writing I is equals to 2 ampere towards B or towards A or towards West or towards East. Are you writing like this current? No, you are just writing what? Only magnitude you are writing. You are not mentioning the direction. We are interested to find out find out the amount of the current which we have drawn out.
When we are talking about series in parallel circuit, then we are using AP.
Parallel circuit? What? Sorry.
When we are finding equivalent.
1 minute.
When we are finding equivalent resistance, so we are specifying from which series we are finding.
So no.
Like R equivalent AB.
R equivalent AB. Like this is the circuit. So you are saying you have find out the equivalent circuit.
Yes. So in one series, first one, upper one, that voltage will be A and B now. Sides.
This you are saying, okay.
Yes.
So see, when you, okay fine, but in finding out the amount of current, then you are not mentioning this direction, huh? This is 2 ampere current. You drawn out from this, just try to understand this word, you drawn out current, how much? 2 ampere current here. You drawn out how much? 3 ampere current here. Ampere, we are just want to find out only the magnitude. We are not saying that we have drawn out 2 ampere current from B to A. It's understood that from this wire we drawn out. So that's why current is a scalar quantity. Okay, Aksa? Why current is a scalar quantity? Because we are not mentioning directions in showing the amount of current. We just want to know how much the amount of current we drawn out, we got. Okay, that's why. Not coming. Aksa, have you got the answer third? No. Okay, no problem. Let's see here. Current 80 milliampere. Milliampere means what? 80 into 10 is to the power minus 3 ampere. Fine. Then we have time is 10 seconds. And we have to find out the number of electrons. I am doing correct? We didn't mention here negative sign. Jibran said that ma'am, we are supposed to because electrons are supposed to be negative. Okay, so why we didn't mention the sign? Because we are interested in finding out the number of electrons, how many number of electrons are there. Okay, so that's why.
And that would be upper one would be 0.8.
Fine, till here. I am doing my simplest call. So 50 now we have to just deal with the 10 raised to power. 10 raised to power minus 3 into 10 raised to power 1 only. And it is 10 raised to power plus 19. Why? Because you are changing its position. So minus 19 plus 1, 20. Or just take this also. 10 raised to power minus 3 plus 20. Fine. Minus 3, 19 plus 1, 20. Fine till here. So 20 minus 3 gives you what? 70. Yes? Answer is incorrect again. So it will be what? 5 into 10 is to power 80. 18, 10, 17 plus 1. Yes? Like this also you got 5 into 10 is to power 18. To 10 is to power minus 3. Let me see the solution. I have done correct. Yes. $18. 5 into 10 is to power 18. Well, how you have done, Aksa? In this way. So what answers you got? You got 50 into what? Like what? Situation is like this. Correct answer is 20 and your answer is 5. Oh my god, you are not near to that. Show me. 50 into 10 is power minus 21. Acha, above. So what means this? 800, okay. 10 is to power minus 3. 800 into 2 zeros you increase because there is 1.60. Okay, fine. So 10 is to power minus 13. Minus 90 not. When here you have done mistake. When you are changing the sign, so it becomes plus, na? Plus 90. This is the mistake you have done here. When you are changing the position from downward, like this is supposed to come in denominator, but you want to it comes supposed to come in numerator, so you are changing these signs. The 10 is to power minus 90 when it will come, so it becomes 10 is to power plus 90. Huh? Yes, both of you have done another way. Achha, just make it this correction. Make this correction. 1 by 2 into 10 is to power minus 19. 1 by 2 10 10 is power?
1 by 2. 1 by 2. Upon. This also is upon.
Okay.
1 by 2. It is correct.
This you are getting. So 0.5 into 10 is power 19. So 5 into 10 is power 90. You also do. Okay. How you have done?
Divided 10 is power 19 upon 2 is equal to 5.
Show me your answer.
I stopped doing it.
Let me see. Let me see. Why you have written here 0.8? Okay. You अच्छा okay fine. 80 into 10 is to power minus 2. You write 80 upon 100. So 0.8 upon 1.6 into 10 is to power 100. Aksa also you also do. You will also get the answer. Now do in a proper way. Do as usual calculation. Then fourth question also. So show what you are doing. 80 into 10 is 800 into 10 is minus 3 upon 1.6. 16 you अच्छा fine. So 15 into 10 is 19, 20. Two mistakes are doing. Just off, make it off, time is over.